introduce yourself. What we doing today?
Okay.
This is a legal man.
We'll be putting.
What's up?
Hey, yo. We'll be modifying a BMW.
Legally or what's up?
Officer, for legal discretion, this will be used for track use only.
Yeah.
Track use only.
Yeah. Yeah.
California.
No.
And we're not even in California.
We're in Texas.
We're at an undisclosed location.
Yeah. We're in Mexico.
Yeah.
We're in Mexico.
We're not doing nothing.
Facts.
It's the lineup. My car, Tony, Marco. So we're getting it jacked up. You know what I'm saying? We're getting it jacked up.
Jacking it off right now.
What's up? What's up?
Yeah, that's what he said.
Huh?
He said 87 miles, right?
Getting jacked up.
This is the safest shop.
Yeah,
Right?
yeah.
Come
yeah.
to us if you guys need any service.
Yeah,
Expert jacksmanship.
I have it jacked. We got it jacked now. What we doing?
I don't trust this
Disconnecting
jack,
the O2s, man. Make sure that check engine light is.
You know what?
Did you show them the jacks?
Jacked? This one's on one click.
Oh, there you go.
And what's up? And then this one's on 3 clicks, 2 clicks. We're fine. We're fine.
All our families, we love them.
Oh, okay.
Yay.
No, he's gonna fucking.
You gotta yank that out.
Yank that.
Oh, hey. What that mouth do though?
Huh?
Hey, yo.
What's up? What's up?
Pull, bitch.
God damn!
Pull.
Did you glue this bitch or what the fucking what's Yoda do? There's a BMW bed over
Hell no, don't tell them that.
here. You can try it, I don't wanna fuck it up.
What are you gonna spool it?
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
Huh?
Wow.
Now you can't move more.
Not Timmy boy, this is all you.
Hell no, if you guys can't fucking get it, how the hell am I supposed to
Oh,
fucking get it,
boy.
bro? There's gotta be logistics to this.
He used brains while we use bronze.
Gotta be a click clacker.
What'd you find?
Hey, wait, hold on, show this.
Yoda.
What's this, bro?
Wait a minute, that don't belong there.
Whoa.
This car was in Germany. Wait, that's where they're from, right?
Your feet just disconnected the O2 sensors. I'm going back down there. Removing the tray.
What do?
No more DLCs here.
Underage.
Oh no.
They're great. Get away.
So I need a 16. Hey, what's this?
Good personality.
That's what I'm saying. That's what I'm saying.
You know Johnny Sins up here? Johnny Sins.
Hell no. Who?
You, huh?
Hell no. Huh? Hell no. This you, huh? Hey, this you, huh?
Here, bro.
Yeah. Oh my god.
We might actually need this for the exhaust.
Oh boy.
Going in.
Oh, what's that? Let's pick that up, boy.
No.
Oh no. There's no over there, bro.
Oh yeah, there's one more. Fuck.
Put it under the Sims car. Merc style, get you fixed up.
No.
Oh my god.
Keep an eye on these both ways.
Oh,
What? What are you talking about?
what's up? That motherfucker hairy, bro.
Huh?
That motherfucker hairy. Hey, you think it's hot?
Oh yeah.
Ah, fuck, it is hot.
Why do you touch it, bro?
Gotta make sure.
Yo.
Huh? Huh?
You have something smaller than the 5/8?
5/8.
Oh wait, I literally got the other one.
Huh?
Hey, what y'all doing under the car?
Huh? Y'all stuck?
Stendo mode, bro.
Expendable. Oh my god.
Stendo mode.
Oh my god. What are you? Oh, get off the ground.
Brown bitch.
Huh? What's this?
No, but like it won't.
Oh, hell no. Bruh.
If you ain't down here, I don't want to hear you talking, bro. Get your hands up, man.
Hey, what's your tires looking like?
Looking like they're at 2/16 or fucking 2/32. Huh?
2 seconds.
Hey. Hey.
Alright,
What's up, bro?
This is not it, man. This is not it.
What's it looking like down there?
I got you, bro.
This bitch looking like POV, huh?
POV, you don't have a jack.
Look at this sketchy ass setup, bro.
Oh, dude, my camera is so dirty.
Oh.
Marco, how did you get out
You
so
done
quickly?
stepped on gum.
You sure that's gum? I'll pull you, Tim.
No, 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 no! No!
Oh, that's gonna hurt.
What's on your shoe, bro? What the fuck is that? Why are you touching it? I'm gonna eat it, bro. For science research.
Oh, yeah.
Ew, bro, what the fuck is that?
We have tools. We're off with tools.
It's literally stuck.
Oh my god. What is that?
Huh? Hey, what's that on your shirt, huh?
What's up?
Oh my god.
My foot, this one. She goes in there.
Oh, but what's up?
How did you? It's not even carbonated.
Only I'm able to do this shit.
You just built different. We took off the under tray. Took off the under
Don't
tray.
record my ass.
What's up?
Hey, bro, what's that white mark on your ass?
Oh boy.
You know damn well what it is.
Alright, what's the next move, Tim?
We got.
Please.
What happened?
Last time the
time.
downpipe fell on the stinky.
Oh
Fuck,
boy.
dude. It landed on this one.
Oh. Yeah.
Come on, Marco. Your sacrifice is needed.
No, it's not.
Again?
Get your ass into the car,
You
boy.
sacrifice you to the downpipe gods. Here, I'll move for you.
Yeah, please go.
Huh?
Oh!
Damn it. What was that?
I don't know. I did this last time, but I have to go like this.
You went under like that?
I went the other direction.
You stuck? Are you stuck? Oh my god.
Getting away from that.
What's up?
No.
Oh my god. Yo, this falls on me. Still enter the elevator.
What's that? What are you trying to do?
Criminal assault.
Give me a fucking 10.
10? Huh? You do.
Anthony.
Yeah.
I need to get this one.
Yeah, you also need to get this one.
Okay.
This one too.
Fuck!
What you trying to reach in there for, huh?
Tool!
Is it hot?
Someone!
Burning, bro.
Tool!
Leave it.
Tim!
Help this man, please.
Tim!
What? What?
Kick that tool in front of you. Bro, what the fuck is that?
My
I
bad,
know
bro.
which one you want.
What?
What do you need?
The right side socket.
What size is
What
it?
size?
What size?
I said 10!
Speak, motherfucker.
I said 10!
Oh my god, dude, that's I think it's that last bolt and it's out. Right, Marco?
There you go.
Here. Oh, hey, you want to know a cool part about your downpipe?
Huh?
It's gonna change colors.
Oh,
Huh?
It's gonna change colors.
What?
Your downpipe?
What?
Because like when it heats up.
Oh, makes sense.
what you gotta say about that?
I told him I was gonna do all the work too.
Oh my god.
Won't say.
What's up?
10!
What?
11!
11!
We don't got an
I don't
11.
think you have an 11.
Give me a 12.
Here, I'm gonna roll it to you.
I recorded that shit.
Try this one.
Fucking head.
Sorry.
Hit him in the noggin.
You hit him where?
In the noggin, bro.
You hit him in the noggin?
Jeez, bro. That's just too. That's good.
Oh my god. Yeah, how you gonna get that downpipe?
I got it, bro. Watch this shit.
Oh. Damn.
Oh, hold this window, please.
Oh.
Oh.
There we go. See, the cats are 100% in there.
They're in there. They're in there.
There's a simulator in there.
Yeah.
A cat simulator. Huh? Fault.
Oh.
This is going on live leak, guys.
Oh boy. With no sound.
For real. Live leak, man.
Now I just gotta figure out. Ah, that shit's hot.
Why are you grabbing it? Let go, Marco.
I'm trying.
Marco, let go.
It's got him. The car's got him.
Hold on, but I'm trying to figure out how to take out the O2 sense.
Oh, no, they're all disconnected. The wires should just come with it.
Okay?
Yeah.
I bet.
Hey, wire, switch the wires through there. You know, some gloves would have been smart.
I agree.
Some Marcus tire clubs.
Yep.
No, hold on. Marco, you gotta take it.
Hold on, Tim. If I take this off, we should be good to.
Watch out with your pinky. There it is. It is out.
Ah, that shit's hot.
Watch out with the O2s. Watch out with the O2s.
Yeah, I got those.
Just go ahead and what?
Throw your sensors out.
Yeah.
Does anyone want to buy this? You can sell that.
Don't worry about that.
We ain't gotta worry about no.
Here, put them next to each other.
Yeah, just scrape it like that.
I could care less about those things.
I do the other same ones though.
Oh shit.
Let's go with the FI one, bro.
Oh yeah.
You might be in big trouble, boys.
Oh no.
What do you need?
Don't
Something to tighten down the O2 sensors?
And just hand tighten it again.
Hold on. I need to pull Marco up.
Grab his leg. Hey, how the vlog's doing?
Painful.
Oh.
I thought that was my dad for a second.
How'd you get out?
I can go.
You get what I'm saying?
No.
Alright, so you know how I was holding it from the top?
Yeah.
I need you to hold it with this. And then give me another ratchet.
What
so
you
I can
doing?
tighten it from the bottom. You understand? Now you see you're holding it, right?
Yeah.
Now give me something where I can hold it too so we can tighten it.
Oh, okay. Hold this, bro. Or do you want to get a something for him down there?
I got it right here. You recording?
Yeah.
Some bitch.
That is my back of the ankle.
Yeah. Four. Yeah.